Welcome to the video tutorial of Advanced Search Skills for the Intradyn AOS 7 Archiver. Now that you've mastered the basics of searching, we can progress to using more advanced skills such as using wildcard, proximity, fuzzy, and Boolean operator searches. Let's go all in with taking a look at wildcard searches. There are two types of wildcard searches: single character wildcard and multiple character wildcard. As an example, we'll use an asterisk to display a multiple character wildcard search in the subject line. Notice the beginning text "off" in a subject search, followed by an asterisk, can yield the words offer, office, or officer. In contrast, a single character wildcard search is performed with a question mark and only provides a variable for a single character. Davi followed by a question mark could yield the name Davis or David. Next, let's close the gap on proximity searches. Proximity searches are used to find single terms that are located a specified distance apart. To perform a proximity search, place the two single terms in double quotes, followed by a tilde and the number of words apart you wish to search. As an example, let's use this technique to search for an email containing the words paper and ink within a proximity of 8 words. This yields a couple results. If your search doesn't provide the results you're looking for, try increasing the word distance proximity. This result, fortunately, had no more than 8 words proximity. Next, we'll warm up with fuzzy searches. A fuzzy search will allow you to search for a single term that may have been misspelled and will result in terms with similar spelling and the same number of characters. Use the tilde after your single term to perform a fuzzy search. In this example, we'll try searching for the word workplace in the subject. This does not yield any results, so we can try adding a tilde to perform a fuzzy search. With this method, we're able to locate the misspelled email we're searching for. It's time to get logical with Boolean operators. In addition to the many term modifiers available, there are Boolean operators. These operators allow terms to be combined for more flexibility. The available operators are and, plus, or, minus, and not. Note that Boolean operators must be typed in all capital letters for them to function correctly. In this example, we begin with searching for meeting and Tuesday. This yields a result for a meeting on Tuesday. When we change the operator to not, we get a different result for a meeting email not mentioning Tuesday. We'll change the operator again, this time to or. This will bring up both email results since they mention either the word meeting or the word Tuesday. Now that we've covered these advanced search mechanics, you're one step closer to becoming an archiving system expert. This concludes the Advanced Search Mechanics tutorial video. For more tutorials and operating tips for the Intradyn Archiver, visit support.intradyn.com. Thank you.